Good day, sir. So today ito po yung library system. Then ito po yung code niya. Then i-run natin siya. Main window. Dito add book tayo. Title, author, and year published, and quantity. Title is When the Phone Rings. Then author. Next. And yearbook. Then quantity. Then add natin siya. Yan. Book added successful. Then add pa tayo ng isa. Title is the paintings. Author, yearbook, quantity. Same lang. Then add book added. Then refresh natin siya. Yun ang pakita. Then punta tayo ng access niyan. Library system. Double click. Then yun. Then dito, i-try natin sila i-delete. Delete book. Yes. Then yung isa din. Refresh. Then dito refresh lang natin. Then yan. Yan lang po. Thank you po.